or welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you are here. My name is Zaria and I'm a crochet artist. Hey y'all, how are y'all doing? I hope y'all are having a good day. I am. Today is October 24th and you know what that means. Halloween is in a couple of days, so I have a very special video for y'all today. If you guys watch my videos, y'all would know I do have two cats. One's name is Cheerio and one's name is Wafer. They're very cute. I will show you guys them in a second. This is gonna be my first time ever crocheting something for my cats, so I'm praying that it turns out correctly. And yeah. Okay y'all, this is my cat Wafer. He's large, but he's so cute. He doesn't want to be held right now, so I'm gonna let him go. I think my other cat's taking a nap, but his name is Cheerio and he's orange. I'm sure y'all have seen him in the back of some of my videos. Gonna be making him a pumpkin hat. Oh, he just came in here. Cheerio, come here. Everybody, this is Cheerio. He doesn't want to be held either, so let me put him down. But we're gonna be making him a pumpkin hat. I'm gonna put it right here. And I think they're gonna be so cute. I'm so happy. I'm so excited to make this video for you guys. I'm so excited to see how they turn out and put them on my cats. And yeah, let's get started. Okay y'all, this is the hat, how it's coming. I have 2 more rows to do and then I'm done and I can make the green stem. So yeah, I will be back. Okay, the little pumpkin hat is formed. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to make the little stem. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Hey y'all, so I took a food break and apparently I don't know how to eat, so I had to change my shirt, but I'm back. This is how far we've made it. We're on the little stem. I'm so excited. I'm gonna set you guys back up and do another time lapse probably. Look y'all, I just gotta make one more of these on the other side and then make the little straps to tie it around and then it's done. Y'all, Y'all, is this not the cutest thing? OMG. Oh, look at that. I'm so excited. Y'all, here it is, the final product. I'm going to attempt to get Cheerio to try it on for me. If he doesn't, he doesn't. But I'm going to try. He's taking a little nap right here, so Cheerio. Hey, buddy. Let me put the little hat on my head. Look at the camera, Cheerio. Just give me like 1 second with the dawn. Look, Cheerio. Look, you're so cute. You're so cute, buddy. Look how cute you are. Just show the people. Just show the people for a second. Look. Look at your little head. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna insert the pictures that I did get, but it was very hard to get Cheerio to cooperate. But anyway, it turned out so cute, and now I'm going to make the next one. Hey y'all, it's a long time later. So change of plans. I tried really hard to make the mushroom hat, but I don't know, it's really stressing me out. It's not coming together. I'm gonna scrap the idea. I will either make another hat in another video or try the mushroom hat again in another video. Right now, we're just gonna stick to the pumpkin hat. It's gonna be for both of my cats. Right now, I'm gonna go find Wafer and try it on with him, and that'll wrap up the video. So yeah. Y'all, Wafer is way more docile than Cheerio, so hopefully this is gonna be way easier. Y'all, look. Oh no, it's slipping. Wait, y'all, wait. It's slipping. Hold on, Wafer. I gotta tie it tighter. Hold on, Betty. Hold on. Look, you guys. Look at Wafer, y'all. This is Wafer with the little pumpkin head. Look how cute. He's so much more calm than Cheerio. Hey y'all, I literally just had my light and I don't know where I just put it. But anyways, I'm in the hallway so I can have a little light. Excuse my hair. But I'm a little upset that I didn't get to make the second hat for my cat. Hopefully I can make it in a future video. But yeah, I got some really cute pictures of Wafer. I knew it was going to be easier to put him into the hat because he kind of just goes with the flow. He doesn't really care about what's happening. But Cheerio, he's the feisty one. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video for Halloween. And yeah, I have more videos on the way. And I'm excited for y'all to see them. So yeah, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. And like this video, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.